This morning, I am honored to welcome you to our 72nd anniversary of the Fairfax County 4-H Fair and Carnival.
Today we are celebrating the 4-H program here at Frying Pan Farm Park. And so they have been here for over 70 years. And so this is a program that engages youth in a wide variety of activities, many of them involved with the farm animals that we have here at Frying Pan Farm Park.
People should come out to the fair because it's a unique experience. We live in Northern Virginia, so there's a chance that you'll be able to see a cow, a horse, a sheep, something that you haven't seen because it's so urban, but it's a great opportunity for kids to come out and see agriculture, real life in their hands and be able to experience it.
So this event is important to the community because this farm has been here for over 70 years and it's the oldest working farm in Fairfax County. And the fact that it's preserved as parkland for people to be able to come and view how food is made and agriculture works while also getting on a Ferris wheel and being able to have some cotton candy. It's just a wonderful day for people to come out, be with each other as a community and really experience this wonderful park.
Last one.
It's a great place for families to come and bring their kids. This is a working farm, and that's true 365 days of the year. But with the 4-H fair here at Frying Pan Farm Park, you get to see even more. You get to see additional animals, you get to do the rides. So it's just a great time for families to come out.